Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Jaguar. It's a 3-liter V6 supercharged. As you can see, I'm working on the coolant system. So there's a little plastic elbow for the inlet pipe of the water pump. It tends to break on the V8 and also on the V6. So there's an upgrade part because at first it's in plastic. And Jaguar want to charge you the old thing for like a lot of bucks. So if you want to do it cheaper, this upgrade part is like $2 to $5 Canadian. So I don't know where you live, but just convert it. It's cheap. So first thing you want to do, you want to put the O-ring inside. I don't know if you can see it. I put the O-ring first because this is the last that we remove. When I did the plastic removal on this. So first I undo this connector that broke in my hand. So what I did after, I removed the plastic part, like this one that the other clip was getting into. After undoing that, there was a little O-ring that I was able to remove with a little flat screwdriver. So after that, when you want to install it with your upgrade part in metal, since they don't sell this part separately at Jaguar, you need to buy the all new water pump, like I said. So you put the O-ring first, you put it at its place, you put this inside the hole, and you just want to clip your hose inside of it, and that's it, guys. You now have your new elbow installed and your car is ready to roll again on the road. So if you don't want to buy another water pump, I suggest highly to do that. It's way cheaper, and it's upgrade part also, because I think the new water pump gonna come with a plastic one. You don't want the same problem as at the first time. I was doing an engine rebuild on this one. I just started the engine run fine. It's run like a fucking ball. It's awesome. But I run water inside of it because it was leaking just only by there. So I put water instead of coolant, because otherwise I will put money in the garbage. So that's pretty much it. If you want to replace this elbow because it's leaking, or you break it while removing some part of the coolant, there is the fix, and this is how you install this part, since you don't have a lot of video on this. So that's why I'm making one. So I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day.